In a small town where it rarely rained, lived Sofia, a curious little girl who loved to explore. One day, she found an old grey umbrella in her grandmother's attic. When she opened it, something magical happened. The umbrella changed colour and flew her up into the sky. From above, she saw that the world needed more joy, so she shook the umbrella and it started to rain. Drops of colour. Each drop that touched the ground turned into a flower, a laugh, or a song. The children of the town went out to play in the magical rain, dancing and laughing non-stop. When the rain stopped, Sofia gently descended and lovingly put the umbrella away. From then on, every time someone opened it, a small miracle happened.
Red rain, blue rain, drops fall with sunlight. Laugh, sing, come and see, flowers bloom everywhere. Rain of colors, what happiness. Jump, skip, come and play. Red, green, yellow and blue, they dance together like you. Each drop has love, it's a dream, a glow. If it gets you wet, you'll see everything shines a little more.